Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to use Adobe Express Animate from Audio. So this is what it looks like, and all you have to do is to simply log in to your Adobe Express account. If you don't have, then you can go to any web browser and then type Adobe Express, and then you can get this for free. Okay, so we have here welcome to the new Adobe Express. You can read some information here, and then if you're ready, you just have to tap let's go. And then this is what it looks like. We have different features here. We have text to image. We have here text effects, suggested quick actions, popular templates. So if you're a content creator, thumbnail maker, or an employee or a staff or a student or just a normal person like me, everything here is for you. You can try premium if you want to upgrade and to see more features of Adobe Express. To start, you just have to tap create, and here we have suggested sizes. For example, if you want to create for Facebook, for Instagram, for TikTok, then everything is here. You just have to follow that. And then here we have here quick actions. If you want to remove a background or something like that, and we have here custom sizes. Okay, so once you're okay, then all you have to do is just select one. But for me, I'm going to focus now to this animate from audio. This one, okay, tap this. And then here you can just simply select a character for your project. So as you can see here, to start with animating your audio or to start this feature animate from audio, you can simply select any character here. For example, if you want to create a project about human, about creatures, about food, okay, you can also go to category and select that specific character you want. So we have here tons of characters. We have here for food, for humans, for emojis, and so on. Okay, so once you have selected that correct character for your project, then you can now proceed with recording. So to start, you just have to tap record. So as you can see, this is my character, but I think I have to change this into woman. Okay, later. Now for background, you can choose any background here, or you can also upload image if you think that you can't select any of the background here. You can't use any of the background here. You can tap upload. But for me, I want to choose something that is like the person is in the park, something like that. So once you have selected that background for your project, you can now also go to custom size if you want. So I changed it into a woman character, and then I'm okay with this. So I will record now. And this is the output. And that's it. Thank you all for listening. Your support means the world to me. And I hope we can make this idea a reality together. That's it. Okay, this is just an example, and I know that you can do better than this, of course. So once done, you can either download or open an editor. So if you want to add more like text, effects, or music or something like that, you can tap open in editor and try to add something. But if you're okay with the output, then you can simply tap download. So for open in editor, this is what it looks like. So let me tap this one first. So as you can see, you can add template elements, add-ons, and videos and photos here. So yeah, you can add more. You can edit your output here. But let's just try to download this one and see the real output. And let's see how amazing it is to use this Adobe Express Animate from Audio. I really need you to listen to me for a moment. So that's it, and I know that you can do better than this. That's how to use Adobe Express Animate from Audio. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.